Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share what is the wiring for the reverse light in the Honda Accord Euro, but it also can be applied for Honda Accord, and that is the generation between 2002 and 2007. Now have a look at the behind the at first you definitely should remove the carpet, cover the back gate, the trunk gate, and then you find the back port behind the reverse light, and you will see it has two wire, black and one is green with the dual white dot. Okay, so which one is the positive light which we need to have? In this case, if you are unsure, okay, then one of them will be positive. That is 100%, and I can tell you this is the one, the green with the white dots. It is positive for the reverse. So if you open it and you see one like this, you can confidently connect the reverse light trigger into this green white dots one. But otherwise, if you really want to play a little bit more, just bring over the multi-voltmeter 2 and then plug in here and then turn the car reverse at the ignition power. Don't turn the engine on because that's more dangerous. So just turn on ignition and turn reverse, and then you will see the power coming through with the negative through the black and positive through the green and white dots. However, just to be sure, if you are unsure, get out the multivoltmeter, okay? But otherwise, if you see exactly the same one like this, be very confident, the green one, the positive one. Thanks for watching, and this is the one for Honda Accord Euro and Honda Accord 2002-2007. See you on the next one.